Ever watched a YouTube video and wished you could instantly grab the transcript, whether for research, content creation, or repurposing into blogs and subtitles? In today's video, I'll show you the easiest and most reliable ways to get transcripts from YouTube videos, including one tool that's a total game changer: RecCloud's YouTube Transcript Generator. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get accurate transcripts in seconds. First up, the built-in YouTube option. On many videos, you can simply click Show More menu under the video and choose Show Transcript. This works fine for basic needs. But here's the catch. It doesn't always appear, timestamps can clutter the text, and it's not the best for downloading or editing. That's where third-party tools step in. Another way is just copying and pasting. It's simple but messy. You'll often need to clean up timestamps and formatting. For long videos, this becomes tedious fast. If you want speed, accuracy, and professional formatting, you'll need something better. And here's the star of the show: RecCloud's YouTube Transcript Generator. Unlike the built-in option, RecCloud lets you paste any YouTube URL and instantly generates a clean transcript. Let me show you how it works in real time. Go to RecCloud.com's YouTube Transcript Generator. Paste your video link. Choose the language that you prefer. Click Get Transcript, and boom! Just like that, you have your transcript ready to use, which you can download anytime. What makes RecCloud stand out is its accuracy, speed, and extra features. It supports multiple languages, provides the full original transcript, and allows you to download instantly, making it perfect for content creators, students, and marketers. So, quick recap. YouTube's native tool works, but it's limited. Manual copy-paste is doable, but messy. And RecCloud? It gives you fast, accurate, multilingual transcripts with zero hassle, making it the clear winner if you want professional results. If you want to save time and get polished transcripts, I highly recommend trying RecCloud's YouTube Transcript Generator. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI and creator tool tips, and drop a comment telling me how you plan to use transcripts in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.